potato cauliflower mash with garlic. Guys, in here, this is for the broccoli, excuse me, this is for the cauliflower potato mash. I put in 2.5 to 3 pounds of a russet potato. You could use Yukon Gold, any potato you like. I think russet potatoes are fluffier and the Yukon Gold are creamier. Your choices, I love both. So tonight it's russet potatoes, about 2.5 to 3 pounds. I put in 1 12-ounce bag of frozen cauliflower. You can use 4 cups of fresh cauliflower. Now I put in, for me personally, because we love garlic, 6 large cloves of garlic, and I just cut them into like little chunks. You can use 3 cloves, and I always salt my water. Here we go. You have to salt the water because if you don't salt the water, you just get that. The salt doesn't penetrate, and you just get that surface salt. I say it all the time. And then when this is done, I'll show you what the rest looks like. It's going to be a little parsley, a little fresh thyme, buttercream, etc. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil for about, I guess, 20 minutes or so until the fork tender. The mashed potatoes are almost done. This is 1/3 cup heavy cream in here with 1 stick of butter. And I put in about a teaspoon and a half of fresh thyme. There's nothing like fresh thyme with the potatoes or fried onions. But anyway, I just want to show you one thing. I'm going to go microwave this on the microwave for probably about a minute, and I'll stir it in between, and either it's going to be done in a little less time or a little more time. I just put this back on the hot burner just to get some of the extra moisture off. You know, that's why it's steaming like this. I melted the other stuff in the microwave, the butter and cream and thyme mixture. I'm going to dump it in right now. If you put in cold cream, ice cold cream or milk, it makes, it could make your potatoes gooey, like glue. Okay, sorry about that loud bang. I'm going to mash this, and I'm going to add salt and pepper. And I say it all the time, but potatoes love black pepper, so I put a lot. Add salt until I taste this, because I salt my water. I want to just clarify that. I don't know if you can see all that black pepper. That's what I'm talking about. Besides burning my taste buds, these are perfect. I did not have to add any more salt. And you taste the potatoes, you definitely taste the garlic and cauliflower, but you taste that thyme. So good. And if you wanted to, you could cook your potatoes in a little chicken stock. You could put a little Docatelli cheese in. But these are excellent. Always are. Cauliflower and potato mash with garlic and thyme, and they were delicious.
Hey everybody, again, this is Ken. Got a nice classic fall meal here. But what I want to dig into is the mashed potatoes and cauliflower mashed potatoes. Have some garlic in them. My wife also made a nice apple butter gravy, goes on top. Well, you can taste the russet potatoes, but you can taste the cauliflower too. But it's still
mild hint in the background.
Very mild, but it's a very good flavor still. Doesn't take away from taste flavor.
Doesn't taste like you're eating
but it's
just cauliflower.
It's a little bit healthier, and it'll help you, stretch your potatoes and stuff. But it's very, very good. Very good. And the gravy was made with apple butter and drippings from the chicken.
Yeah, but that's not what this plate's about, just the potatoes.
Yeah, it's just the potatoes, but very, very good.
We've been eating some biscuits. I'll tell you what, they are banging. Just like my biscuits I made all the time when my kids were growing up before there was even an internet. Anyway, long story short, fluffy, airy, delicious. So here's our homemade biscuits. Here is our cauliflower with potatoes. So it's our potatoes with cauliflower mash and garlic. Or apple chicken. You could use turkey. The vegetables I cooked with around the turkey with all those delicious drippings. Carrots. My husband likes the celery, and I love the onions and carrots. But I like celery, but not cooked. And then this is so delicious. This is your cinnamon bread apple stuffing with celery and onions. Okay, guys, guess what? We almost forgot our gravy. Don't want to forget our homemade gravy. So here it is. But look, so silky smooth.